Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable travel tips and updates on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to the Airbnb app, then click on the profile section on the lower right corner. So once you're here, we're going to scroll downwards and click on account settings. Then here you're going to click on notifications. So under travel tips and offers, you're going to click on edit and turn them all on. Same with trip planning again. You're going to turn them all on. So this is how you basically do it. So on your next trip, you're going to receive personalized recommendations and special offers. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.